Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to use two WhatsApp in on phone. So let's begin our video. So on my phone here you can see there have on WhatsApp and I want to use two WhatsApp on my phone. So what I need to do? So I just need to go on my phone settings. Right now if I just scroll down, I can find the option apps, select it. And right now I can find the option dual apps, select it. And I just need to find out WhatsApp from here, and after find it, just enable it and turn on. So here you can see it's creating. You just need to wait a couple of moments. So after complete, just let's back, and here you can see they have two WhatsApp. So that's it guys. In this way you can use two WhatsApp in one phone, and I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.